Nung present ko ulit yung kanyang, itong PDF sa kanya, pinag-aralan niya, inamin niya na handwriting na raw niya. Now, he is denying na hindi niya sinagot itong isang question. Eh, sino naglalagay ng no? Multo?
Your Honor, ito no, yan yung mga naiwan ko ron.
Did you, Pidea,
Pidea. Sila may galing, sa kanila galing yan, Your
Pidea,
Honor.
sa inyo raw galing to, kayo raw nag-check nung fill in the blanks nito.
Your Honor, I am not Jonathan Morales.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, go
I
ahead.
move that he be cited in contempt.
There's a motion.
For continuously lying before this committee.
There's a motion from Senator Jingo Estrada that the resource person is cited in contempt. Any objection? Hearing none, Mr. Jonathan Morales is hereby cited in contempt before this committee.
Bring him down.